Okay, hello guys, welcome to Alfie Forex University. And today we are going to analyze USDJPY to see what is going to happen over this week. So as you can see right now, we are already on a monthly time frame, and on a monthly time frame, we are just going uh, to this time frame to check the direction of the market. And as you can see, the direction of the market on a monthly time frame is actually on uptrend. So let's demonstrate from here. As you can see, the market from the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then form the high that is lower than the previous one, then came back, form another the equal low. Now the market is buying, and we expect this market to buy all the way up to uh, our previous high, the monthly high. So let me remove this one. So it is obvious on a monthly time frame that we are on an uptrend. So we go to weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame right now, as you can see, also the market is also in uptrend. Why? Because the market is now forming the higher highs and higher lows. And now we are going to draw our support and resistance using weekly time frame. So let's draw together. So now as you can see, this is our weekly support, and then we have another weekly support resistant around this area. Is a weekly resistant. So these are the areas whereby once the market gets here, maybe we expect sellers to enter this trade, to enter the market and start pushing down. But as for now, we are going to buy this market heading to our weekly resistance. So how are we going to buy from where the market is to our resistance? We go to daily time frame and see what's happening on a daily time frame. Yeah, on a weekly time frame, it is also obvious that the market is on an uptrend. Why? Of course, it is obvious. The market is forming the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now the market is buying. And we expect this market to buy all the way up to our weekly resistance. I think that is clear, guys. So let's move this one. Now, on our daily time frame, we can also draw our support to find out where we are going to enter our trades and buy all the way up to our weekly level, our resistance. So there is our support around that area. So why? Because the market actually broke the previous high. We tested the same our support actually, and now the market is buying. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see if we can get entries from the 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, there is also a resistance level. Sorry. So on a 4-hour time frame, there's a resistance level that actually the market came and retested, and now, this was the most recent high that the market formed, and then the market actually broke that high, create the higher high, and formed the higher high, and then came back and retest our support. And now what we are expecting is that we are expecting this market to continue buying up to our weekly level that is around this area. So we are going to remove this one first, since there's a support, that the market has created, there's a new support that the market has formed. Now, as you can see also, there's a trend line that the market has been respecting all the way. So as you can see, there's a trend line around this area, and then market has been respecting that trend line. I think it is clear. I've drawn it earlier. So actually the market actually respected this trend line for the first time, second time, and now this is the third time. And what are we expecting? We expect now the market to come back to test again our support and our trend line, then market continue buying up to our weekly level. So let's see how many pips will be there. So if we buy this market, let's say from that point, from around this area, and then our TP should be our weekly level, and then our stop loss should be just below this previous higher low that the market formed. So it should be around that area, because the market can actually easily come back all the way up to here before the buyers enters the market and continue buying. But for now, our stop loss should be just below our the most there is the most recent lower high that the market formed. And now, as you can see, how many pips will is there to be collected is around 357 pips. So that's a very good pips, guys, to catch. Let's wait and see what will be happening over this week, guys, and expect, as I have said, I expect this market to continue buying. So thank you and see you in the next video.